Hello dear student. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of our subject engineering metrology, that is introduction to metrology. In this chapter we discuss that is definition and objective of metrology, types of metrology, some basic terms used in metrology like inspection, precision, accuracy, traceability, sensitivity, calibration and readability. Also, we discussed the need of inspection, so why inspection is necessary in manufacturing. Then we discussed the sources of errors, so why errors are occurred in during taking the measurements, and also that factors affecting the accuracy of measurement. Then we discussed the selection of instrument, and last point of this topic must be concept of least count. So let's move to the further point, that is what is metrology and objectives of metrology. So metrology. Question can be asked in exam, that is define metrology and state its objective. This is one of the favorite questions from the exams, that is you have asked for the definition for the metrology or state the objectives of metrology. So let's see what is definition. So metrology is the science of measurement which deals with establishment, reproduction, conservation and transfer of unit of measurement. So let's see what is metrology. So metrology means what? It is science of measurement. Science of measurement means what? We have different physical quantities that we have to measure in engineering, right? So for that measurement we require the system of units. So we have to establish the units for that particular physical quantities. Then we have to reuse or reproduction of that units. For example, we have to multiple times we have to use that units. Then conservation, so that unit is universally accepted, right? And last one is nothing also transfer of units. So we can transfer the unit in different forms. For example, MK system to CJ system, right? So for take one example, that 1 kg is converted into 1000 grams, right? Like that. So metrology means what? It's a science of measurement. We have to measure, take the readings or take the measurements of the physical quantity, right? So we have to require system of units. So for that we have to establish that system of unit. Then we have to reproduction for that system of unit. Then conservation of that system of unit, and then we have to transfer from the different system of units, right? That is nothing but metrology. So in metrology definition, these four terms are compulsory for that measurement, right? So that is establishment, reproduction, conservation and transfer of unit. Okay, so next point is objectives of metrology. So question can be asked, list any four objectives of metrology or state the necessity of metrology. So let's check the objectives of metrology. So first objective of metrology is selection of measuring instrument in industry. So for measuring different physical quantity, we have required the different measuring instrument. For example, if we measure the length, we require the scale. If we measure the diameter of any wire or shaft, we have to require the vernier caliper, right? So these different physical quantity can be measured by using different measuring instrument. So second objective is, that is deciding proper measuring standards, right? So measuring standard means what? That is system of units. So different system of units like SI, MKS, CGS, FPS. So which system of units you have to use for taking the measurement, that is important. So decision for that using proper measuring standard is nothing but it is another objective of metrology. Then to find out sources of errors. So while taking the readings, that number of errors are occurred while performing that operations, right? So that sources, so causes of that error we have to find out by using the metrology. Then reducing rework and rejection, right? So due to errors, that object or that product must be rejected. So that reducing the rework and rejection, that is main important objective of that metrology. Then minimizing the cost of inspections. Every manufacturing company has its own QC department, that is quality checking department. In that, inspection of every object is done, and that cost for that inspection must be minimized by using the metrology. So another important objective of metrology is minimizing the cost of inspection. And the last one is to enhance customer satisfaction. This is also important objective of metrology, to enhance customer satisfaction, right? So these are the objectives of the metrology. You can write down any four from this in exam, like selection of measuring instruments. So for particular measuring physical quantity, we have required the particular measuring instrument. Deciding proper measuring standard means what? That different system of units like SI, MK, CJ, so which system of units you have to use, that is important. To find out the sources of errors. So there are a number of errors like environmental errors, right? Observational errors. To minimize, always you have to minimize that errors. And due to these errors, that product must be rejected. So reduce that rework and rejection is the objective of metrology. Then minimizing cost of inspection. So inspection cost be minimized and to enhance the customer satisfaction. So these are the objectives of the metrology. Okay. Let's move towards further point, that is categories of metrology or types of metrology. So question can be asked in exam, that is state various types of metrology, or what is legal metrology, state any two functions of legal metrology. Or another question can be asked in exam, that is define terms like scientific metrology, industrial metrology and legal metrology, and give two examples of legal metrology. So any of the question can be asked in exam according to type of metrology. So in question we discuss that is there are three different types of metrology, that is scientific metrology, industrial metrology and legal metrology. So let's move towards further point, that is types of metrology. There are three types of metrology. First is legal metrology, then scientific metrology and industrial metrology. So we discuss the three main types of metrology, that is legal metrology, scientific metrology and industrial metrology. So we move the further, that is legal metrology. In legal metrology, the legal metrology is nothing but what? Which relates unit of measurement, method of measurement and instrument to the technical and legal needs. So legal metrology which relates unit of measurement, method of measurement and instrument to the technical and legal needs. That in legal metrology its function is to regulate, advise, supervise and control the manufacturing and calibration of measuring instruments. So legal metrology has a function that is to regulate, advise, supervise and control the manufacturing and calibration of measuring instruments. It is concerned with accuracy of measurement, right? So this accuracy is important in like economical transaction, health and safety. So where the accuracy is important, so we require the legal metrology. So legal metrology is related with unit of measurements, method of measurement and technical and legal needs. Also it regulate or control the manufacturing and calibration process of measuring instrument. And also it concern with accuracy of measurement. So legal metrology is nothing but what? Where we establish that system of units and we find out the acts for that metrology or method of measurement. So for this, the legal metrology is redirected by different organizations like IILM, that is Institute of Legal Metrology, or IOWM, that is International Organization of Weights and Measures. So that defines the standards of measurement. So this organization defines the standards of measurement, act of measurement of method of measurement, and also regulate and advise the manufacturing and calibration of measuring instruments. So in legal metrology, we have to discuss That is, it related with unit of measurement, method of measurement, and instrument to the technical and legal needs. Its function is regulate and control the calibration of measuring instrument. It concern with accuracy of measurement, where the accuracy is very very important. That is, for example, economical transaction or health and safety, or that acts or that regulations are made under the different organizations like Institute of Legal Metrology and International Organization of Weight and Measure. In applications of legal metrology. So first application of legal metrology is commercial transaction related with net quantity. So we made the online transactions, right? Online payment. So for that we require the legal metrology or legal acts. So this is done by legal metrology. Next application is industrial measurement. So where accuracy and precision is important, or while interchangeability in mass production, so legal metrology is used. So in industrial applications like industrial measurement, where accuracy and interchangeability is important in mass production. Then third application is measurement of health. That is, in medical facilities, we have different health measuring parameters. For that we require the legal metrology or legal standards. And last one is that is in measurement of human safety. So these are the different applications in different areas of legal metrology. So legal metrology is used in commercial transactions, used in industrial measurement, used in health measurement, and also used in human safety measurements. So next type of metrology is scientific metrology. Scientific metrology refers development of new measuring technology and scientific methods. Also, scientific metrology deals with establishment and development of measurement standards along with their maintenance. Right? So scientific metrology is nothing but what? That is that metrology used in laboratories or research centers. So that type of metrology is called as scientific metrology. So which having the establishment and development of measurement standard along with their maintenance, right? Or also the scientific methods or measuring technology which will be used for measuring that physical quantity. So these are nothing but what is scientific metrology. In general, we have to learn that is scientific metrology is nothing but what that metrology used under the research centers or in laboratories. That is nothing but what scientific metrology, which refers to development of new measuring technologies, also establishment of that measurement standards. The last type of metrology is industrial metrology. So industrial metrology is deals with ensuring proper functioning of measuring instrument used in industry, and it also that industry related development of inspection for specific industrial need. So name itself indicates its definition or conclusion, that is industrial metrology means what? It is related to that of industry, right? So for that proper functioning of measuring instrument which is used in industry, or development of inspection which is for industrial need. So that industrial aspect, as per industrial aspect, that metrology used is nothing but what? Industrial metrology. So industrial metrology which deals with proper functioning of measuring instrument used in industry, and industrial metrology is industrial related development of inspection for specific industrial need. Okay, so up to which we discuss the three types of metrology. That is, first is legal metrology, which is defines the standards or acts or legal acts, right, in the organizations like IILM. Then we discuss the scientific metrology, which is used in laboratories or in research center, right, for that establishment of new system of units. And third, that is industrial metrology, which is deals with measurement and their standards in using industries or different measuring instrument using industries, right? So next we move, that is further point, that is inspection. So our next point is inspection and its need. So question can be asked in exam, that is explain need of inspection in industry or define inspection. So what is meant by inspection? So inspection is act of checking of all materials, products at various stages during manufacturing. So inspection means what? It's the act of checking. So we have to check the materials, products at various stages during manufacturing. So anyone of that product is manufactured in company, so that product or that material must be checked at every stage from raw material to that of final outcome, right? So that is nothing but what? Inspection. So inspection is act of checking. So why it is important? So for the better quality output or quality output, we require the inspection. Also, that is change in technology. So there are a number of technology changes, right, year and year. So for that, inspection is necessary. Then there is mass production. So in mass production, that inspection of product is necessary. Also, that is in save money concept. That is, if we inspect that product at every stage, we reduce the rework and rejection. So for that waste of money in rework and rejection must be reduced, right? So that is save money concept. So then that is interchangeability. So interchangeability is one of the basic term from the metrology. So we discuss the further, but in short, we remember that interchangeability means what? We can interchange the product or part during assembling or replacing, right? As if we replace that part, replacing that part, so interchangeability is important. So in interchangeability, that inspection is important. Then to develop the reputation of your company or your product, right? So for these, we require the inspection of product, right? For the quality output, change in technology, mass production, save money, interchangeability, and to develop the reputation, right? So inspection means what? It's act of checking, and we required why this is necessary, because for we require the quality output, we required in change in technology, so there is mass production, save money to reduce that rework and rejection, interchangeability, so you can interchange that parts during assembly or during replacing that part, then to develop the reputation of your product, right? So up to which we completed the following, up to which we complete, that is definition and objectives of metrology. The types of metrology, there are three types, that is legal metrology, scientific metrology, and industrial metrology, right? And then need of inspection. In further video, we complete, that is sources of errors, different basic terms used in metrology, and concept of risk count. Meanwhile, you have to prepare that notes and stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.